Buongiorno. Hello, I'm Andrea from Truth Italy. I'm from Application Department. Today we will present you the fully automatic panel bending. This is the automatic loading station. As you can see, it's possible to arrange multiple stacks on the pallet. Then the metal sheet is loaded on this moving brush table by the loading head, which is equipped by a double sheet detector. Then the metal sheet is transferred into the flipping station, which, as the name suggests, is used to flip the part. This is the True Bend Center 7030, a 3-meter bend left machine for 220mm box side. Then the part is unloaded on the left side of the machine, where there is a robot which performs the palletizing. As you can see, we can produce serial production or kit production.